Assalamualaikum everyone. Some friends asked me that they are feeling problems in installing or activating the Primer Premier 5 software. So I thought that why not make a video to facilitate them. So how to activate or make workable Primer Premier? Let's start. You need to open the folder that contains the Primer Premier. Then double click on this Primer Premier application. When you when this Primer Premier application opens, so it will ask you about the key. But when you open it like this file and like we have done this in making the designing the primer and DNA, so it asks that this function is not available in the demo. It means that it is not activated or start properly. So how to activate? We do the process like this. Here is an option that activate product. So click on it. So it gives us a machine ID. That machine ID is 11. So remember this ID and then open this engine of this application and write here machine ID that was 11 and then click on generate. When you click on generate, it gives you a number that 3051. So open that timer and here write that 301 3051, sorry, 3051 and okay. Program successfully activated. Welcome to Primer Premier Pro. Okay, now it is activated and you can use your sequence to design the primer. Let's have a look. Like we have this sequence, so I want to use this for designing primer. Then let's copy and then open that, and here you can uh, project file, go to new DNA and now it is working and you can use it for designing the primer. So this is the way that how you can activate your primer premier software or make it workable. Hopefully it will help you. Thank you.